friends, welcome to the channel. This is the question number 4 which was asked in the month of July 2025 and let me just make you go through the question that was asked. Yes, this is where we are. Question number 4: what is SCOPIC? How does it solve the difficulties of salvor? B. In case of a collision between two ships on high seas, which state has the right and responsibility for the following with jurisdiction, and briefly describe the salient points of applicable conventions? To take disciplinary action against the crew member or master, uh, 2. To cancel COC of a crew member, and 3. For payment of compensation. Most of the questions are based on a certain concept. A concept of scoping is something in discussion here, and 1, 2, 3 are the kind of situation that can arise out of this scoping. So that's how the questions are framed. Basically, they take a topic and they give some practical questions that can arise in that particular topic that we are discussing. Now, this combines scopic clause and collision jurisdiction under international law. Let's go through them one by one. What is the meaning of scopic? Special compensation P&I club clause. Scopic is a full form. The full form of scopic would be special compensation P&I club clause, right? Introduced into 1999 and an amendment, which is an amendment to the 1989 Salvage Convention. It modifies Article 14 of the Salvage Convention dealing with special compensation for environmental salvage. Right. Difficulties faced by salvor under the Article 14 before scoping had come in place. That is, when there was a salvage convention, there were certain difficulties that was faced by a salvor. Let's go a step further here. Ambiguity and the litigation about calculating special compensation when no salt value existed but environmental damage was prevented. Salvor often hesitant to act in marginal cases. Example, tanker with a little cargo value but major pollution risk. Delays in getting paid and disputes with ship owners and insurers. See, there were three ambiguities before the Article 14 of the SCOPIC had come. That is when there was a salvage convention, that is 1989. There was an ambiguity and litigation about calculating the special compensation when no salved value existed, but a huge environmental damage was prevented. Also, the salvor was hesitant in an act when a tanker was partially loaded, but the possibility of environmental pollution was quite high, and also delays. There were delays in the payments by the ship owner as well as the insurer. So how does this Article 14 of SCOPIC solve the problem? Pre-agreed tariff system, fixed daily rate for tugs, personal equipment, and reducing disputes. This is reducing the dispute. There is a pre-agreed tariffs. But the second point would be the guaranteed payment. Ship owners P&I club guarantee prompt payment of SCOPIC remuneration. 3. Encourages intervention. Salvors are assured reasonable compensation even when the ship cargo has little salved value. This environmental benefit ensures salvage is undertaken quickly, preventing maritime pollutions. Now, coming to the part B of the question, when there is a collision at high seas, who is coming to the picture? Applicable Colrec 1972 for prevention of collision, but for jurisdiction after collision, the 1910 Collision Convention plus the unclosed 1982 Article 97 are relevant here. First, the disciplinary action against crew and master. Flag state of the vessel has the exclusive right and responsibility. As per unclosed Article 97, only the flag state or the state of nationality of the person may initiate penal disciplinary proceedings for a collision at high sea. 2. Cancellation of certificate of competency. Again, the flag state or the state that issued the COC has the authority here. Other states cannot withdraw foreign COCs for incidents of high seas. So other states cannot withdraw the COCs. It's only the flag state. Payment of compensation. Determined under the 1910 Collision Convention principles. Fault pays liabilities. If one ship at fault, the ship pays full damages. If both at fault, liability is appointed according to degree of fault. Compensation claims are settled in civil courts under applicable national laws, but jurisdiction follows international convention rules. Right. To summarize things, SCOPIC ensures salvors are fairly compensated, encouraging timely and environmental protective salvage in collision on high seas, that is UNCLOS 97 1910 collision convention apply. Only flag state nationality state can take a disciplinary action or cancel the COC of the crew members. Compensation follows fault-based liability under the collision convention. Yes. So by this we would like to complete the answer, and hope this has brought in some insight regarding the scopic, and will definitely help you in answering the questions that are asked on the above topic. Uh, Before we wind up, I would like you to like this video, share, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates, and wish you all the very best in your upcoming exams. Thank you very much.